Welcome to our channel. Today we how to invest with Citi, complete guide step by step clearly. Start by visiting the Citi website or downloading the Citi mobile app. Create an account if you don't already have one. Provide the necessary personal information, including your name, address, and social security number. Next, you will need to verify your identity. Once your account is set up, log in to your Citi account. Navigate to the investment section of the platform. Choose the type of investment account you want to open, such as a brokerage account or an IRA. Review the account options and select the one that aligns with your financial goals. Fill out the application form for the selected account type. Make sure to read and understand the terms and conditions before proceeding. After submitting your application, wait for confirmation from Citi. Once approved, fund your investment account using your preferred payment method. Explore the investment options available, such as stocks, bonds, or mutual funds. Research the assets you are interested in investing in to make informed decisions. Use Citi's tools and resources to analyze market trends and performance. Begin making your investment selections based on your strategy. Monitor your investments regularly through the Citi platform. Adjust your portfolio as needed in response to market changes and personal financial goals. Stay informed about investment news and updates offered by Citi. Consider consulting with a financial advisor for personalized investment guidance. Review your investment performance periodically to ensure you are on track. This is your complete guide to investing with Citi. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.